In our daily life, we are surrounded by objects having various geometrical shapes. A cube is one of the most beautiful shapes we have. Do you know a cube geometrically? A cube is a three-dimensional object bounded by 6 identical square faces with 3 faces meeting at each corner. Since the faces of a cube are identical squares, all the sides of cube are equal. Consider a cube of side 1 cm. Can you tell the number of such cubes required to form a cube of side 2 cm? Let's see how many cubes are required. We observe that 8 such cubes are required to form a cube of side 2 cm. Now observe the number of cubes of side 1 cm to form a cube of side 3 cm. We see that 27 cubes of side 1 cm are required to form a cube of side 3 cm. Do you see a relation between the side length of a cube and the number of cubes of side 1 cm that it can have? We notice that the number of cubes of side 1 cm to make a cube is obtained when the side length of the bigger cube is multiplied by taking it 3 times. The number 1, 8, 27 and so on are called perfect cubes or cube numbers because they are obtained when a number is multiplied by taking it 3 times. Let's observe the cubes of numbers from 1 to 20. Here, we notice that the cubes of odd numbers are odd and the cubes of even numbers are even. We also observe that 1's digit of a number is same as the 1's digit of its cube, except when 1's digits are 2, 3, 7 and 8, as 2 becomes 8 and vice versa, and 3 becomes 7 and vice versa. Cube numbers also show some interesting patterns. Let's discuss them. The cube of any number can be expressed as the sum of consecutive odd numbers. 1 cubed is equal to 1. 2 cubed is equal to 8, which is equal to 3 plus 5. 3 cubed is equal to 27, which is equal to 7 plus 9 plus 11. Similarly, we can write the cubes of other numbers. Now observe the prime factorization of cube numbers. We see each prime factor of a cube number appears 3 times in the prime factorization of that cube number. Observe the difference between cubes of 2 consecutive numbers. Do you see any pattern here? We see that the difference between cubes of 2 consecutive numbers is 1 more than 3 times their product. Now let's check whether the given number is a perfect cube. Consider the number 1512. Let us check whether it is a perfect cube. Find the prime factors of 1512. We know that all the prime factors of a cube number occur in a group of 3. Here, 2 and 3 are in group of 3, but 7 is left out. Hence, 1512 is not a cube number. Let's see how we can convert a non-cube number into a cube number. Take the same number, 1512. Here, 1 factor 7 is not grouped into a triplet. So, we need 2 more 7s to form a triplet. Hence, we multiply 1512 by 7 2 times or multiply by 49 to get the product as a cube number. There is one more way to convert the non-cube number into a cube number. See, if we divide the number 1512 by 7, then again we get a cube number. Now, let's discuss the cube of a number which is not a positive number. The cube of a negative number is always a negative number. The cube of a rational number is always a rational number. The cube of a decimal number is always a decimal number. Now let us see some interesting numbers. A number is said to be Armstrong number or narcissistic number if it is equal to sum of the cubes of its digits. For example, 153 is equal to sum of the cubes of its digits, which is 1 cubed plus 5 cubed plus 3 cubed. Is it not interesting? Check on your own whether 370, 371 and 407 are Armstrong numbers. Let's discuss an interesting story about one of India's great mathematicians, S. Ramanujan. Once a famous professor, G. H. Hardy, came to visit genius mathematician S. Ramanujan in a hospital in Putney, London. While talking to Ramanujan, Hardy said that his taxi number 1729 is a dull number. But Ramanujan replied, "No, it is a very interesting number." Hardy asked, "How?" Ramanujan said that it is the smallest number that can be represented as sum of two cubes in two different ways, such as 12 cubed plus 1 cubed and 10 cubed plus 9 cubed. Hence, this number is known as Hardy-Ramanujan number. So, this is all about cube numbers. Here is the summary of whatever we have learned.